Hi guys, I'm going to walk you through how to utilize networking mode on our displays. So this is via the LED Cloud platform. What we're going to do is we're going to walk you through one, ensuring your display is connected, adding source material, creating a program list, and scheduling your program list to your display. So to start, let's ensure you have the right device. If you're pairing multiple devices, this is important. If you're only pairing one, this should be pretty seamless for you. But your device ID is going to be located here. And then on your device, it would be in the top left corner on the Magic Player setup screen. So we have this device. I'm going to go up here because let's say we have a location. I'm going to add a subgroup. So let's call this location 1. I want to add my screen to this specific location. So now that that location's created, what I'll do is I'll go to my ungrouped screens. So these are ones that have no set location. We'll select it. Then I'm going to go set up group. I'm going to pick location 1. Okay. And you'll see that it moved up here to location 1. Now that your display is in the correct location, you have your filing set up. It's important to create content, so sources. This could be images, documents, videos. I have test 1. Let's go new group. This is going to be for location 1. Now you have a new folder, location 1. So we're going to click on location 1. It's specific content we want for that. If you're only managing one screen, one location, you don't have to add additional folders. It's not going to be that complex for you. But if you're looking to scale your displays and have specific content for specific locations, it is important you get a little bit of a file system. Let's upload some material. And again, you're going to want to make sure it's in the right resolution for your screen. So let's upload this one. That's great. We're going to exit. And then let's upload another one. So now we have our, when we go to videos, we have a video here. When we go to images, we have an image here, or all materials here. So this is for our location 1. Now we have our assets uploaded, our sources. We have a video and we have a static ad. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually create a program list. First off, let's call this location 1 playlist. So if you don't have a device paired and you want to create a program list, you are going to want to set this to your display resolution. For example, ours is 1080 by 1920. But what we're going to do is we're going to just select the device. So we have a few different devices. These ones are offline. This one is online. The device ID is correct. So we're going to select that one. We're going to click OK. And what that does is it's automatically setting the resolution. Now we're going to go to New Program. You can see now it's set it to the right resolution. So this program is going to be your playlist. So location 1. Okay. If you were just doing images, you could select image. If you just were doing videos, you could select video. However, if you're doing mixed of images and videos, it is best to use the mix broadcast feature. So we'll click on the mix broadcast and it's dropping it onto our screen. So this black area is the screen size. You can see the small frame. We need to ensure that this matches our resolution. So again, 1080 by 1920. And then it's going to get larger. Alternatively, let's get rid of this. So you're on that mix broadcast. You delete it with this X. So let's add it in again. Mix broadcast. We can just drag it to fit the screen also. Okay? That way you know it's good. 1080 by 1920. Now we need to schedule content to it. Okay? So let's go to images. We're going to go to location 1. This is the image we uploaded. We'll scroll down. Again, you got to select, you do have to select the box. If you just click on the image, it's going to show you a sample of it. So ensure you select the box. scroll down, click OK. So here's our first ad. It's a static image. If you scroll down to display effects, you can pick if you want to have a transition of the ad coming in. So you could have it move left, move right, move up, move down. You can set it to random, and the effect time is how long that transition takes. So you can change the time. This is in milliseconds. 5,000 would be 5 seconds. So we're just going to leave it at 1 second. If you hold over it, it's just going to show you an example of what it will do. Let's leave it now just on basic, no transition. Okay. So now playback time is the duration you want that asset to play. So I want this to play for 10 seconds. So that's 10,000 milliseconds. Okay. So this is good. My image is the right size. I have no effects I want it to transition with, and I have it set for the right duration. So to add a video into this program list or playlist, you click here on the play. We're going to select the video in location 1, and it's going to populate. Here we can see that when we're on this asset, it is 1080 by 1920, and it's fitting the screen correctly. Again, if it is smaller, we would just drag these until it fit. And then we're going to click on the asset on the side here. And let's scroll down. It has no volume. Let's leave the volume down. This is good. We're happy with it. We got our 2 assets that we want to load. Click Save. It's now saved. We'll click Off. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to select our program that we just created, and we're going to send it to the display. So let's go send. Then we go to location 1 here, and you're going to see your device right here. It's online when it shows this green screen, and we're going to send our new playlist to the device, and the content just uploaded to the display. Now we want to change some content on the device. We had a playlist that we uploaded. Let's go to program list. So we're going to select this one here, which is the list we have running to our display. Again, you can check by the ID on it, but we know it's saved to location 1. So we'll go here. We're going to edit this playlist. Again, zoom out so it's easier to see your whole screen. And then this one here, if we want to remove a piece of content off the screen, let's, for example, we want to take off this static ad that's been playing. We don't want that anymore. We want to add it something new. So we're going to just click Exit, and then we could add a, let's do, these are ones that are just in my files here. So we'll add those in. Okay. And again, duration, this one's set to 5 seconds, and there's no transition. So then we would click Save. We're going to click Off. We'll go over here, and we're going to select this this program, because the display does have the last program that was sent to it, and we're going to click Send. And we want it to go to our screen. We'll click Send. Submit successful. So this is your playlist we created. And again, you're just going to click Edit. Zoom out. And this is the playlist that's playing. Anything you want to remove, you just click on the eggs, hit Save. So let's get rid of this football one. Exit, Save, Off. Select the list, and we're going to send it, the playlist, to our screen. And when you're on the device location here, you can select it if you are going to set schedules for your device to be online and offline. Just select time correction. Ensure auto syncs off. Make sure you have your display selected. We you can see here we do. Let's say I was on Pacific time, so Pacific time, and then it would change. That way, whenever you're setting schedules, you know your device is on the right time. Additionally, if you wanted to one-click screenshot, so we selected our screen, took the screenshot, then we're going to go more, we're going to export the screenshots, okay, and then it will download them here, and you're going to see this is what's playing on your device. If there's anything we missed, or if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we can walk through it with you.